looking rough. And I know most importantly, y'all been like, where the hell you been, Jessica? Listen, since I got back from Antigua, my life has not been my life. As you can see by the way that I look, okay? And I told myself I was gonna vlog this weekend because, as you can see, we have moved. Yes, y'all, it is official. We have moved. We got our place. And what the hell is that on my neck? Lord, I'm looking rough, okay? Hello, my name is Jessica, and I'm looking rough. But anyway, if you are new to your channel, it's your girl Jessica, aka Makeupmapassion, and this is gonna be either a weekly vlog or a weekend vlog. I haven't decided just yet. If you like beauty, curvy girl fashion, and a sprinkle of mommy content, then you have found the right content creator for you. Just stay tuned in, guys. This is just one of the many things that I do here on my platform. And I mean, as you can see, we are tons of fun. So come on in, friend, and subscribe. Hit that good old subscribe button. Okay, so I'm actually here at the apartment, the new apartment by myself. My partner and my uncles and cousins are at the old apartment, about to move stuff over here. I brought some stuff over. I'll give you guys an empty house tour, probably in this vlog, or probably not. We'll see. But yeah, we're here. We are still within the area and city that we were originally in. We're just 6 minutes away from our old apartment. And yeah, my arm is getting tired holding this camera. Hold on. Here we go. But yeah, we're still in the same area for the most part. And I'm excited. It's a bigger space, a bigger place, a new chapter, which we needed because we definitely outgrew our old space. So yeah, do I want to give y'all an empty home tour? Not right now. We'll do that later. No, let me do it right now. Because I know once all the furniture and stuff is here, it's gonna be harder to do. Okay, let me flip you guys around and give you guys a quick empty apartment tour. One moment. Okay, so quick empty apartment tour. And I don't think I vlogged when I came to see this place, but this is the place we ended up going with. That's our coat closet. This is our living room. We have a nice little patio area here. I cannot wait to decorate that and make it a nice little cute pocket of peace. Then you come over here. This will be our dining room area. Then this is our kitchen, which I absolutely love. Love the countertops, love the cabinets. The fridge is gorgeous. Stove and microwave. We have a nice big farmhouse sink. So yes, and then you come in here. This is just our hallway area. Let me turn the light on so y'all can see. I love this built-in to be able to store things, so that's gonna be really nice. We have the bathroom. And I love the subway tile, very cute. Okay, that shower head has got to go. That's not me. We like our double shower head. We like our removable nozzle, but this is the bathroom. And this will be baby bear's room, so our little one's room. And that's his closet space. And then this would be our room. And that's our closet space. And that's pretty much it. That is our quick and empty apartment tour. Once it's actually decorated nice and things like that, I'll do a little bit more. But for the most part, that's pretty much it. I'm super duper excited for this next new chapter. So I will be taking y'all along with me. So yeah, and do not make fun of the fact I brought my clothes in garbage bags. Listen, I was not about to buy storage containers just to put them in storage or to throw them away. So yeah, judge your mama, not me, period. All right guys, so on that note, I'm gonna tap out and continue getting stuff moved in here. And then yeah. I know I'm being a horrible vlogger. This weekly vlog is gonna be all over the place, but I'm at my old apartment, closing it out, having my Fresh Prince of Bel-Air moment, you know, just like really taking it all in. I created some of the best content on my little content did my little content career in this very space. So it's definitely bittersweet for sure. But just having my Fresh Prince of Bel-Air moment, like, wow.
Little boy, everybody told me you could be whatever you wanna be. So I told myself I'ma be a singer, I'ma play on the keys. I can do whatever I want if I just believe, yeah. But then over the years, everybody's telling me to find a career, and I'll be rolling my eyes, thinking I'll be alright with my guitar by my side. But now it's like 55 quid for my phone bill and a tenner for my bus pass too. I wish I could go back and tell myself that life is gonna hit you hard.
Sure.
They say money won't buy you happiness, but being broke really ain't a good time. So all I want is just to get paid. I know I ain't ashamed of trying to make a wage, no.
Oh my God. Oh, that's good.
Oh wow, okay.
Money got me feeling down. They said go and chase your dreams, but never told me that I have to wake up. I need money. Somebody tell me where we go wrong. 'Cause nowadays it's like I gotta pay to breathe. Why are we romanticizing working 9 to 5 and stifling our dreams? They tell me think about the future, yeah, but what if I don't even make it there? I don't wanna be what.
Today's outfit of the day is giving very, I'm a mother. Button up from Target, crossover jeans from Fashion Nova, espadrilles, Target, simple jewelry, hair, Amazon. Alrighty guys, hope everyone is having an amazing Thursday.
About that, but that's been where my mind. 'Cause now it's like 55 quid for my phone bill and a tenner for my bus pass too. I wish I could go back and tell myself that life is gonna hit you hard. They say money won't buy you happiness, but being broke really ain't a good time. So all I want is just to get paid. I know I ain't ashamed of trying to make a wage, no. Money makes the world go round. Money got me feeling down. They said go and chase your dreams, but never told me that I have to wake up. I need money. Somebody tell me where we go wrong. Yeah, I guess it's just the way things are. We need change, but we chase the pounds and pence, yeah.
Hey y'all, I've come to realize that this vlog is just gonna be all over the place. So I'm just gonna make this a move-in vlog. It's been weeks, baby, but it's fine. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jessica, aka Makeupmapassion. On my channel, we talk about beauty, a little curvy girl fashion, a little plus size fashion, and a little lifestyle and a sprinkle of mommy content. So if that is something you were into, then you done found the right content creator for you. Baby, it has been a journey. So we recently moved, which I'm sure will be included in this vlog. I've been trying to unpack and organize as well as declutter, baby, and that's what I did today. I did work from home today, so I got a little bit of work done, and right now we're on our way to go pick up our kiddo and our partner. Listen, being a partner and a parent is no joke. It is not for the weak. It is not for the weak. It is not for the weak. And yeah, I just have to tell you guys that. I'm not gonna hold you. Your time management gotta be top tier. It has to be top tier. Right now, just to give you guys an update from the last time I recorded for this vlog, I have decided to go back vegetarian. It's been about almost 5 days now.
It was all a lie. Guys, it was all a lie. She lied.
Which I love that for me. I do. I love that for me. I have more energy when I'm not eating meat. I have more energy when I'm not eating meat. And yeah. I don't know if I told you guys to like, comment, and subscribe on this vlog. Who knows? I did my little intro, but I don't even think I finished it, child. But if you're watching this video, then obviously you fucks with me and you like the content. So if you are not already subscribed, go and hit that subscribe button, come on in, friend, and be a part of our beauty community. Become a beauty member, become a beauty community citizen. But like I was saying, back to your regularly scheduled program, being a partner and a parent is no joke. For sure, trying to balance everything is no joke, as well as feed yourself. No joke. So I'm headed right now to go pick up my kid a little bit earlier than normal. I wanted to leave earlier than this, but life was lifing. I was trying to declutter and organize our space as well, get work done. But I'm going to pick him up a little bit earlier than what I would normally pick him up. And then I'm going to pick up my partner. And then we're going to head home. I'm going to try to run by Target before we come back because there's some stuff that I just want to get for the house. I'll take you guys along with me for that. And then make dinner for little one, heat up dinner for myself. I did a veggie stir fry with some tofu, so I'm gonna have that with some white rice and a little bit of kimchi. That's the plan. If you come out cute, I'll show you guys. But just life is lifing, but I'm still trying to take you guys along. So this will be our moving all over the place vlog. That's what the title is literally gonna be. I'm also just trying to make some strides towards just updating and improving my content. I've been watching this one content creator who's very inspiring named Nas. I will see if I can kind of plug her in here or show her Instagram page here. Her, along with a lot of other ladies that I watch, are all inspiring to me, and I take little bits and pieces from all their content to be able to form and help make mine. So I'm trying to improve my content. It's certain things that I'm about to do to be able to up and level up my content, including as much as I still want to buy stuff and show you guys the latest and the greatest, I'm gonna have to take a little bit of a hiatus from spending so I can be able to save money towards getting a better camera, an actual vlogging camera, as well as just trying to improve my content across the board. So here we go. But right now, I feel like I've chattered enough. This intro has been 4 minutes. We're on our way to pick up our child, and I have to stop and grab something to eat. I haven't eaten since this morning, and that was like around 10:30, that was like 10:30 actually, to be precise. And it is now 3:38. I'm gonna grab me a quick little something from one of my little guilty pleasures, one of my favorite little hood spots. And then we're gonna go pick up our little bears, our big bear and our little bear, and then run some more errands. But I definitely need to eat something, even if it's just a snack. So that's what we're about to do. And then I'll pick you guys back up probably when I go to Target. So yes, just stay tuned. Okay, to be clear, I'm trying to be better as far as eating out. One, spending, and two, I don't trust it. But when I tell you I'm so hungry, and I definitely chose cleaning over eating, which is not good. Yeah, so I'm picking me up some quick little vegetarian snacks. Got me some fried okra, got me some jalapeno bombers, and apparently they have a jalapeno cheddar biscuit, so I got one to try it. I'm hungry, and I got a bottle of water. I'm hungry. I'm gonna scarf this down real quick before we go as we're going to get our child. Yeah, I tried to get a lot done, and I feel like I did get a lot done in the time I needed to get done. So we're gonna see. I actually may purge a little bit more. I may purge a little bit more clothes and donate. I'm trying to figure out if I'm gonna donate to a women's shelter here in LA like I always do, or if I'm gonna donate to Goodwill. But I actually may go through and purge some more clothes. I flipped my closet. I put all my spring and summer stuff out, and I put all my winter stuff away, but I may go through that winter stuff and throw away some more. I also will be doing a self-care Sunday this Sunday, because as you can see, we need to redo our nails. We down to 3 press-ons left. If I do a self-care Sunday, I'll either make that its own vlog, or I will add that into this vlog. all the things. But right now I am starving. Really need to eat something. I'm like a hair away from having a headache, so we gonna see. But this vlog, this moving all over the place trying to get settled vlog, yes. I so annoyed. They never seem to have the Tabitha Brown popcorn in store, which is fine. I want a little snacky snack to have with like a cocktail, so I think I'm gonna do the white cheddar flame and smart foods. What's the matter? You dropped the sunglasses? Yeah? Okay, here. Here's mommy's glasses back. There you go. So like I was saying, I think I'm gonna try this one. It's 60 calories per cup. So we'll try this one. Yeah. Yes, honey. Dada's gonna be back around any second now. Hold on, let me see this wine. Is this rosé? This is a rosé. I'm gonna get me a bottle of rosé. No, it's gonna be inexpensive. Okay, let's go get your snacks. Mm-hmm. Yep, let's go. Go, go. Good job, sweetie. Go, go. Go, go. When I tell you I'm so glad we're out of the formula stage, when I tell you I am so glad we are out of the formula stage, and see, the formula that we normally will get him, which is the Bobby, ain't here anyway. So glad we're out of this stage. Uh-huh. So we like the Plum Organics Jammy Sammies. I'm not gonna get this one because he can't take this one to school. Anything that's peanut butter or nut, he can't have. So I think I'm gonna get like 2 of these. So how many come in there? What, I think 5. And then I think I'm gonna do the apple cinnamon.
There you go.
Cool guy. Look at you.
Bam. There you go. Yeah. Go ahead. There you go.
Yes. Their little athletic wear is cute. Very cute. Ooh. Super cute. Okay. Not the men's drawers that's locked up. Men's drawers? Jesus.